In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Google Calendar on Android. This is especially useful if you're looking to coordinate schedules, plan events, or simply keep others in the loop about availability. So, grab your Android device and let's get started on this straightforward process. First, make sure you have the Google Calendar app installed on your phone. It's available through the Google Play Store if you haven't downloaded it yet. Once you're ready, go ahead and open the Google Calendar app. You'll notice a clean interface displaying all your scheduled events, but today we'll dive into the settings to make sharing your calendar a breeze. Now, let's find the settings option. Look towards the bottom left of your screen. There, you should see an icon or a button that represents the settings menu. Go ahead and tap on it. This will bring up a list of options providing you with the ability to customize your calendar experience, including how you share it. Next, it's time to choose the account you want to share. Many of us have multiple email accounts linked to our devices, personal, work, and others, and it's vital to ensure you're sharing the right calendar from the right account. Scroll through your list of Google accounts and select the one you need. This selection will direct you to that specific calendar's settings. Once you're in the correct account settings, you should now look for an option labeled as shared with or something similar. Give it a tap. This is where you'll manage who gets access to your calendar. It's a simple way to identify and add users with whom you'd like to share your schedule. Now comes the part where you actually specify who will see your calendar. You'll need to input the email addresses of the people you wish to share your calendar with. Make sure to type them carefully to avoid any mistakes. After adding the email addresses, most likely, you'll have the opportunity to choose the permission settings for these users. You might be able to allow them to see only your availability without event details, or to grant them permissions to fully manage your events. And there you have it. You've successfully set up sharing for your Google Calendar on Android. Keeping others informed has never been easier, as they can now view your availability directly within their own Google Calendar apps. Remember that sharing your schedule not only helps manage time more efficiently, but also enhances collaboration, whether for work projects or personal events. So why not try it today and see the difference it can make in your daily planning? Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please feel free to share it with others who might benefit. Also, don't forget to check out our other videos for more useful tech tips and tutorials. See you in the next one.